This SOLIDWORKS tutorial is about designing these two plates, assembling them and performing the shear test in SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK. From here change the background to plain white for better visualization, and here specify the unit as IPS, which is inches. Now click on top plane and click on sketch. After that select here center rectangle and create a center rectangle at this origin like this. Now select smart dimensioning tool and here specify the length of this line as 2.5 inches and length of this line as 2 inches. Now after that go to features and here select extruded boss base. Now we need to specify the thickness for this plate, so I'm specifying as 0.25 inches. And now select here fillet tool and select this corner. Now select this option so that all corners should be selected, and here specify the radius, which is 0.3, and check this box from here. Now we need to cut two holes, so select this face and click on sketch. And after that, for reference, I am creating this center line from this midpoint to this midpoint. And after that select here a circle. Now let's define the diameter for this circle first, which is 0.3 inches. From center point of the circle to this edge of the plate, here specify the distance, which is 0.5. From this center reference line to the center of the circle, the distance is 0.75. Now I want the same circle on the other side, so I'm selecting mirror entities. In this window I'm selecting the circle, and in mirror about window I'm selecting this center line, and as you can see this hole has been mirrored. Now go to features and select here extruded cut. Since I want a through hole, so select here through all and check this box from here, and as you can see these holes have been created. Now go to file and here click on save as. Here create any folder and you can rename as plate 1 or part 1 and click on save. Now go to save as again and here save this part as plate 2 or part 2. Now go to file and here select make assembly from the part. When you double click here, the same part will get appeared here. Now here change the background to plain white for better visualization, and then go to assembly tab and here select insert components, and here we need to insert this part 1 or plate 1. Click here on this window. Now from here you can select rotate component, and you can very easily rotate this component like this. Now select mate and select this face. It's appeared here on this window, and select this bottom face of the other plate and click OK. Now in this window I'm selecting this circumference and this circumference of the second plate and check this box. Now we are left with only one mate, this one, and for this one for the plate 2, and check this box. Now plates have been assembled and they are not going to be moving away from each other. Now let's click on this adds in and make sure that you have enabled the SOLIDWORKS simulation tab from here and click OK. And after that go to simulations and click on new study and click on static, then check this box. Now we need to define some parameters, so right click here on the part and here click on apply material, and here you can specify any material. I'm selecting AISI304 and here are the properties. Click on apply and click on close. As you can see the color of these parts have been changed, which means the material has been applied. Okay, now right click on the connections and here select bolt. From here we're gonna define some properties, so click on this, select this bolt, and in this window I'm selecting this top edge, and in the second window I'm selecting this bottom edge of the hole. Make sure that you have selected the edges only. Now millimeters are fine, I think. these are the parameters for the bolts, which has been automatically calculated. And then here select this strength data, and here specify thread per inch because we are working in inches, and here specify 10 for thread per inches. And here also change the unit from Newton per meter square to PSI, and here define the PSI as 75,000. okay, when you check this box from here, the same window will be appeared because we have enabled the visible option. So in this window we are going to do the same thing for the second hole, and after that check this box from here because all the properties are the same. Now right click here on the connections and select your local connections. Here select this automatic option. We need to select the both of the plates, plate 1 and plate 2, and select this find local option so that it can compute automatically. Check this box from here, click on yes. Okay, and now we need to define some fixed geometry, so I'm selecting this back surface of the plate and check this box from here so that it can be fixed. Now click on external load and click on force from here, and in this window I am selecting this side of the plate which will be moving. Click on reverse because I want this force to be outward, and here specify English IPS units, and I want 5500 for the force, and check this box from here. Now right click on here mesh and click on create mesh. You can fine tune this mesh. The course, if you make closer it to the course, then the computation time will be smaller, but accuracy will be lesser as well. Now as you can see, the mesh has been created. Click on run steady. This will take some time. Click on yes. I am just moving it fast forward. Okay, now right click on this displacement and click on show. Now right click on this displacement again and select edit definition, and here specify inches rather than millimeters. Select your true scale. In this chart option, enable the minimum and maximum displacement, and here you can see these are the points where minimum and maximum displacement are there. Here select floating because we want floating values. Now right click here on the displacement and click on animate, and as you can see this small displacement between these plates which will cause the shear. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.